In this video, I will give you some cool editing tips to ease your workflow. Now, first up is the Ripple Edit tool, or B, on your keyboard. This tool is often used when matching the action of two shots. For example, in this clip, you can see a close-up of me doing an action. In the next clip, it is the exact same action, but from a different angle. I want to create a cut between these two clips, but the action has to be smooth. Now, what the Ripple Edit tool is. Shorten or lengthen the in and out point of a clip, so press B and drag the end of the first clip with your cursor. You'll see two windows now. The left one indicates the out point of your clip, and the right one indicates the in point of your other clip. You can now drag the out point or in point to your desired length. It will also immediately close the gap between those clips. Next, we have a Rolling Edit tool, or M, on your keyboard. This tool moves the edit point without affecting the rest of the timeline. It shortens one clip and lengthens the second clip, or vice versa. Now, let me give you a quick little tip. If you press V and hold Control or Command on a Mac, it will automatically become the Roll and Ripple tool whenever you hover over a cut. If you hover over the left side of a cut, it will become the Ripple tool. If you hover over the cut itself, it will become the Roll tool. Really useful, right? And lastly, we have the Rake Stretch tool, or R, on your keyboard. This is used to speed up or slow down a clip. You can drag the end or begin of your clip and change the duration. You'll see how fast or slow you alter it with a percentage that is shown. Another way to change the speed of your clip is by right-clicking on it and selecting Speed Duration. Choose your desired percentage and click on Ripple Edit so it stitches your timeline. And these are some of the useful editing tools.